In this video, I'm going to go through a few bits and bobs around the front bumper. Basically, all I'm doing is just removing the front lip and the indicator lights from the car so that I can then start sunning everything. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing to do is just to remove these two. Now the only thing to note is that these are here in the back, so we need to pull that to get access to those. Now in your car you may find that these are not 8mm, they may be something else, and that is all because I've replaced mine. One thing to note about these buggers is the fact that they are supposed to have a captive nut in there. So you have one captive nut that holds the front, this front bit, and as you can see that one goes into there, and if your housing is in good condition you'll find a captive nut in here as well, but mines are not in good condition, so I actually have to put a nut in the other side, and that is why I have different fasteners in there. The rubber seal just comes out, no problems at all. Rinse and repeat on the other side of the car. When it comes to the rubber lip underneath the car, you can find that there are some brackets, some plastic or fiberglass brackets that do pressure between the fiberglass of the bodywork, or the bumper in this case, and the lip itself, so that the lip is not secured in place by the nuts themselves but by these brackets. If you're lucky, you're gonna have them all intact. I am not lucky. I actually have one broken and probably some parts missing here and there, and yeah, you just see these nuts and bolts and you just go ahead and remove them all. One important thing to note about my case is that only the washers are not stainless steel in my car. I've replaced this in the past and I had stainless steel fasteners, but I didn't have stainless steel washers. So the reason why things look old, it's because stainless steel, but that will be fixed with this paint job finally. So just need to clean this a bit. Make sure I remove all of that paint from there and move on. And all of these fasteners need to come out. And now the last thing needed is just to remove the grills. The main reason to remove them is that it makes it easier to sand around all of those difficult spots, and then you have to just paint them black or do whatever you want with them. So I'm going to remove mine, but you see that they're just held in place by the Sikaflex. So to remove them you just have to prise off the Sikaflex. Not a problem. So unfortunately some of my grill is a bit meh, but we can deal with this now separately. that's it for the bumper. Everything that needs to be removed to get the best paint job possible has been removed. So I don't know if this is going to be a single video or going to be multiple jobs in one video, so you know, until next time or until right now.